you have mentioned many times about taking the advice of even idiots and using it in service to a greater art. But I recall in the second play that you had some redundancies that someone pointed out. I don't know who it was.
There was the guy I sent the Vincetti brothers to. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. They said that it didn't have much relevance, or that it was.
Well, no. The thing, and this is a good. He pointed out a flaw, a logical flaw that I had retold about my coming writing of this play Exteriors that I haven't done yet, and he wanted to know why. And in my second coming of it, I failed to mention that I had mentioned this earlier. And so in my rewrite, I say, I mentioned it earlier, and I failed to do this because of so. So I incorporated, just like I incorporated these fucking moronic trolls, I incorporated my own errors into a meta critique of my error. And I'm glad for it because it makes it a better play. So I have no problem with a quote-unquote negative critique as long as it's based in reality. He caught an error. You know, you've caught certainly when I and other people have caught when I made some errors. I think I mentioned how I had called the name of a character something. Two different characters. In an earlier book, which character was it now? I forget. I called. Oh, when I did the Lal character. Initially, I called the cousin that rapes the Lal character in the Super Spy Super 7 book. I called it two different names because I had forgotten. Just like I did done here, I had a little spat. So I had to go back and I had to now I could have left it with the two different names, but as I said, since there are enough sort of mental hiccups that show that Elias Walker, the super spy, is an unreliable narrator, it seemed a little bit too much to have him totally fuck up the name. So that was a Dan Schneider fuck up that I corrected. But this correction I kept within the play because it served the play better than leaving it in the error I made in the Super 7. So